you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
How you doing, man? What's going on, buddy? Not much, man. What you got running in here? 4 Platinum 15s, 6 order, 2 5Ks, some mids and highs.
She wanna be my man.
Yes, sir. What you running again? Cause it just feel like it's just perfect. Like some kind of bird combo you got going there. It's 4 Platinum, Resilient Sound Platinum 15s, D1s on 2 5Ks, so 2 at 1 ohm per amp, and 6 order tune way in the dirt. It does a 155 at 20 for 2 minutes straight for legal rules. Yeah. Under 5K, under 5,000 watts.
But I know that it's like it was heating up or nothing. That's why I said it's got to be some perfect little deal you got going.
Yeah, the guy that built the box, he worked his magic on it for sure.
Yeah, he did great, man. Where can they find you at on social media anywhere?
No, I'm just normal old dude.
Okay, I'm sure somebody know you, man.
Yes, sir, yes.
It was good seeing you, brother.
Thank you, brother.
All right. I got you.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.